If you have rum or wine bottles, glue, and some fabrics, you can create beautiful DIYs. That's what I'm going to show you on this video. Stay to the end and enjoy these ideas. Glue, 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 and for glue, I'm going to cover with Mod Podge the parts that I'm going to paste the fabric. First, I paste the Eiffel Tower pink fabric. That's the one that we're going to see through the glass. Then we put more Mod Podge on the top of the pink fabric and on the corners of the bottle to paste the lace jute fabric and press hard, hold it in place for 1 minute. And look the beautiful results. Now it's time to decor it, my favorite part. I'm gonna be using materials from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and a thrift store. This is one of my favorite wine bottles DIYs. First, I have to take off the labels, so I'm going to use my hair dryer to take it off. Any hard card can help you to unpaste it. Look what I'm doing and how easy it gets off after I use my hair dryer. this is a fun part. I'm going to use a piece of paper towel, crumple it, and then paste it around the wine bottle. After it completely dries, I'm going to use this acrylic paint in a beige color to paint my wine bottle. Oh, do you saw that? It almost fell. I'm going to use this paintbrush to paint the wine bottle all over it. I'm going to give a little color to this with roses from Dollar Tree and use them to decor my bottle. I love to use napkins from Dollar Tree to Decoupage. These ones are from spring. I'm going to use only the designs, so using a paintbrush with little amount of water, I'm going to separate it. Oh, I love this transformation, and now it's going to look gorgeous with the pieces of napkins with flowers, leaves, and butterflies added in different shapes. Going to add a final touch using some ribbon and fine yarn before I add the roses that I painted before. beautiful bottle is a present from our cousins. I want to give it a touch to match my vintage shabby chic decor. I'm going to use materials from Hobby Lobby and Temu.